and it paints a very distressing picture. It shows the wreckage and the fire that followed as well. Nilesh is also live with us. Nilesh, what more details can you bring for us on who all were on board with Ajit Pawar? Nilesh?
Exact flight details, passenger details have been given out by the DGCA. What we understand that in total there were 5 individuals on board, including Ajit Pawar. It was another a male and a female. So in total, 2 female and 3 males were on board this flight, who have been ultimately given out that they are no more. All of those passengers are no more. That is a line which was given out by DGCA earlier as well. Now we understand that the political reactions are also pouring in, along with the family members who are now reaching out to the hospital in Baramati. That is Yugendra Pawar and Parth Pawar have already made it to the hospital, wherein other senior Pawar family members will also be reaching out. What we understand that Congress State President Harshvardhan Shapkal will also be reaching out to Baramati. Now, given the point that though Ajit Pawar was into government, he was and other leaders were into opposition, but Ajit Pawar shared a very different kind of chemistry with other political leaders, though being in opposition or not. So that is one aspect that Ajit Pawar is known for. He is known for him being vocal and quite at times it dragged him into controversy as well. But that was Ajit Pawar, who had always cordial relationship with the opposition leaders as well. Now, as Arunil was also pointing out, that he happens to be one of the senior most leaders in current state politics, wherein Ajit Pawar has been holding the DCM post for several years now, be it into the Mahavikas Aghadi with Uddhav Thackeray and Congress, or be it with Mahayuti, that is Devendra Fadnavis or Eknath Shinde. If Eknath Shinde was CM, then too Ajit Pawar was handling the finance ministry, and once Fadnavis became CM, again he was promoted to DCM and again handling the finance department. So he had a thorough knowledge of the finance department, and he for long had been stating that I do not wish to be indulged into politics of centre. I wish to serve the state of Maharashtra, and which is why I do not find it difficult to be holding the position of DCM and finance minister, because ultimately I want to cater to the masses. And though he was while he was with his uncle, that is Sharad Pawar, the senior leader, he was always on ground among the masses to hear their issues, to resolve all of those issues, and that leader is currently being missed by the masses. An unfortunate incident which has unfolded has left everyone grieving. Now we saw visuals of Yugendra Pawar, who contested against his uncle Ajit Pawar into the recently held assembly elections, is now seen crying. It is quite difficult for him to hold back his tears, and so is Parth Pawar, who has made it way to the Ahilyabai Holkar hospital, which is in Baramati. Now we understand that DCM Eknath Shinde will also be soon reaching out to Baramati. Will CM will be reaching or leaving from Mumbai or not? That is one thing that we are waiting for. But as of now, no official statement has been made by CM Fadnavis and DCM Eknath Shinde. But yes, political reactions are pouring in, stating that it is a very unfortunate incident which has unfolded, something that one could have never thought of losing such a senior leader, such a public connector, and as we have been speaking, and so was pointed by Arunil as well, that his day used to begin from 5 a.m. early morning. Various interviews we have done since in early morning, as early as 6 a.m. So that was Ajit Pawar, who wakes up early and goes to bed late evening. All of those period in between was given out to resolving issues of the masses, and which is why the Baramati, which happens to the bastion of the Pawar family, is currently grieving. All of those individual supporters are reaching out to the hospital to catch a glimpse of what exactly is unfolding, all with a hope that the news that is coming in should be something that is misunderstood, or there could be a miracle happening that Ajit Pawar will soon be back among the masses. So that is one expectation that all of his supporters are keeping. But unfortunately, the official statement has been given out that no survivors are on board, which were on board are not finding any life as of now.
Absolutely.